and welcome back to my channel. My name is Niki for those of you who don't know me. So as I said in my previous video, I will be making bread and that's what I'm going to be doing today. The bread I'm going to be making is ciabatta. So one recipe makes 2 loaves. So the one loaf I'm going to make ciabatta and the other loaf I'm going to make focaccia with rosemary and coarse salt on top. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Let's get started on the ingredients. Olive oil, sugar, flour, water, salt and dry yeast. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in the flour, the salt, sugar and dry yeast. Add in the olive oil, attach your dough hook to your mixer. Beat it and now add in your 2 cups of water. Beat it well until you see it coming aside from the bowl. I had to add in a little bit more water as it wasn't sticky enough. So it was 2 cups and a bit. Now add oil to a bowl and spread it around. Place your dough into the oiled bowl. You can see now it has more elasticity to it. Flatten it out, cover it and place it in the oven. What I do is I put it at 50 degrees on fan, cover it and let it rise for 1 hour. That is my tip to you. So once it has risen for 1 hour, take it out and you can see how soft it is. Fold it over. I folded it over from one side to the other about 10 times. I'm just showing you how sticky it is here. What I normally do is wet my hands with some water and then it's much easier to work with. As you can see here, my hands are wet and it's much better to work with. So once you have folded over the dough, cover it again. Back in the oven, 50 degrees on fan, and this time let it rise for 25 minutes. Now dust your clean surface with flour and pour out the dough onto your floured surface. You can see those bubbles there. Dust your tray with flour as well. Now cut the dough in half. You could either make 2 ciabattas, but I decided to make 1 ciabatta and 1 focaccia to show you. So take the one, do not play with it too much. Pick it up, stretch it a bit and place it on your baking tray. The other oh, and dust a bit of flour on top. The other dough, again, also pick it up, not playing with it too much. And place it on your tray, flatten it out, and with your fingers just pierce the dough. Now add some olive oil on top of your focaccia and pat it in. Then sprinkle some rosemary on top, dried or fresh, and pat that in as well. And sprinkle on top some coarse salt. You could also use salt flakes, excuse me, salt flakes. Now cover it and leave it to rise for again another 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, now you heat your oven to 200 degrees and place in a small pan with some water. You need humidity for the ciabatta. Once it has risen, place it in the oven and bake it for about 20 minutes. And this is the baked focaccia and ciabatta. Place it on a wire rack and let it cool. And there you go. And there you have this versatile recipe to make either the focaccia or ciabatta. It is my mother's recipe and she has tweaked it to the way she likes it, so I obviously took that from her and showed you guys this recipe. It does take a while, you know, for it to rise and then to fold over, rise again, cut it up. So it does take time, but again, now we all have time to do baking and learn new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and please stay safe. Thank you. Bye.